It's like the government are wait for some judgment to go on before them can do something, because it look like them love excitement. Tongue with that me can say, because right now, it's very dangerous. Right now, so it's not named Courage Park Bridge again, you know. It's named Death Valley. Because everywhere you sit down there right now is death. When you stand up on the bridge, a ramp with your life. Trafficking cross people in the crate, a ramp with their life. And the government to vote this man. This is not politics business, Virgin. This is a bridge, we need a bridge.
Hello, good afternoon, Mr. Warmington.
Yes.
Yes, sir. William's calling back from the Observer.
Hello?
Yes, sir. William's calling back from the Jamaica Observer in Mandeville. You were driving this morning.
I'm sorry to them driving again. Now, tell me something. Is that the only bridge in Jamaica that needs replaced for the repair?
No, it is not. But I just want to get an
Is that the only
update.
bridge in Jamaica that needs repair or replacement? You called me about particular bridge?
I'm just seeking an update on the matter, Mr. Warmington.
I don't need to give you no update at all. I'm asking if that is the only bridge in Jamaica that needs replacement or repair. That's not the only one.
Right now, when rain fall, nobody can walk past down the same. And I box over there so people have to go like a yam pack up or luggage and something for railway. People are run risk with their life to go to garden yard because they don't live over here. You get the thing I did, so it's embarrassing thing and the bag of remarks and railway not really going away. You know. It thing need to be done right now. We want action, justice to be done and something, and then them take too long for you see.
For when the bridge collapse, right? And when me go to St. Elizabeth, I go look for my daughter them or my uncle. Me have to pay fare go way around Mandeville. It cost me 3,000 hard. Go and come, right? And all the teachers them way have come from St. Elizabeth, left Balaclava and so. Have to drive round, Mile Gully come round. Some of them not come back to school.
The children that are from there, they cannot come to school because they have to walk through the river with them. A lot of them have to be going to other schools, further down in Courage Park or further down in Balaclava, and so additional stress on the parents to find money so to send them. And a lot of them live close by the bridge here that they can just come down to the school, but they can't because of the water that is there, and it's getting worse. The people in this community are suffering.
Some students are absent for 3 days for the week, and when they do come, they have to leave early. So if the rain sets up, they have to leave. So whether it's 9 o'clock in the morning or it's 1 o'clock in the afternoon, they have to leave. It's very dangerous for the students, because personally I would not cross that bridge, and if I had a child, I would not allow a child to cross that bridge.
I can tell you that I confirm the minister in charge, Mr. Clifford Warmington, and I have received copies of the design for the new bridge, which has been completed, and they are now doing a costing of the bridge. The government has already had the designs drawn, and they're now doing a costing, so they're moving as speedily as ahead as possible.